Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Rapid Ramen Cooker. Say that fast 3 times, and 3 things you need to know. Thing number 1, it cooks perfect ramen noodles every time. Now, sometimes when I hear the something does every time, I go, yeah, right, because it's not worked with me. This is one that has. I have been using this for probably 4 months because I was a little on the suspicious side, you think? And it's performed beyond my expectations. What I had ignored, and this will be changing this week, is I'm going to be looking at cutting back the amount of not the sauce, but the flavor packet. Because they're saying to only use half. And I mean, although I enjoyed the strong flavor, the flavor may be just as strong because of the way this is cooking it. So that's going to be very interesting. Thing number 2. This is durable yet convenient enough to be portable. This is just like another piece of Tupperware or pick your plasticware name of choice. So this is going to be something you can take with you camping. If you've got a young one going off to school, this has got a lot of uses to it. And if it gets lost, big deal, you get another one. Thing number 3, heat-resistant handles make it easy and safe to remove. And I will attest to that because normally, patience is not necessarily a virtue for me. So being able to pull this out quickly, the hands, well, they might be slightly warm, and I'm going to be a little generous with that because most of the time I have not picked up any heat, but depending on your microwave, you might see a little bit more. So give this a try, and you may end up having more than one. Because it's either that or wait in the line for the ramen cooker to become available. Because also it's a nice dish to eat out of.